Good day everyone, my name is Vinmart Anthony Tiamco. In this third video, I'm gonna discuss a C++ program that shows how object-oriented works using animal as an examples. So let's start by including a library we need for our output. So let's put our pound include an IOStream. So now we will define a simple class called an animal. So let's put her a class and then animal. And then we put here a public since it's a public class. With a function named speak. So because our animal can speak. So I prefer to use here a void. So inside this two curly braces is we're gonna put a message. So by doing that, let's put here our necessary codes in order to make an output. So let's put here std cout and then a double quote. So inside this double quote is the place we will put the message. So any message that you want will be available. So for me it's just an example of message that I want to put here. So let's put here I am an animal. So now let's move on to our main part of the program. So let's put here int main. So we will create an object of the animal called an class A. So let's put here animal, then our class is A, and then we call the speak function using the object. So our object is A, and then our function is main function is speak. So let's call that. So the code is done. So let's put here return 0 to end our statement to auto end our code. And that's it. So we new code. So let's try if there's no error. And I see that the code is all good. So let's try to run the code and see what is the output. So as you can see, the code will display I am an animal. So it is just as simple as add a function and use it in a C++ program. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from it.